So I've put this together in the last couple of hours. It's a manual way to control the headlights in the Celica using these 4 switches here. I'll explain them later. But the way this works is you have these 4 switches, then a cable going between the switches, and this little thing here, which is designed to go in between your right electrical relay and the car wiring harness. You could just directly splice into the car harness, but this is just much better way to do it, because in the future, if you ever want to remove it or modify it, you can just disconnect it and there's no damage to your wiring harness. So this little thing I designed on a 3D printer, it's supposed to go and place one of these blanks. So you just pop this out and pop this back there. And the way this in theory should work is you have 2 switches for, well, let's start again. You have 2 switches at the top here. One of them should activate the up status, the other the down status, and 2 switches at the bottom which should deactivate individual headlights. So this one on the left bottom should deactivate the right headlight, and the one on the bottom here should deactivate the left headlight. Now I'm in my Celica and I have got only the factory light retractor relay connected. I want to show you guys the reason why I have decided to even create some manual headlight control in the first place. So turning the headlights on makes them go up right away, but turning them off takes them almost 2 seconds before they start going down. If I was trying to wing at another car driving by, they are probably long gone by this time. Not to mention that during this time the car lights are off, so it can be a bit of a hazard at night. Alright, now I have connected my manual control override thingy, but let me explain how it works before I show it. Here is a modified schematic of the light retractable system. All I have added are 4 switches and some wires. The switches added are S1, S2, S3 and S4. S1 and S2 allow you to make the headlights go up or down. S3 and S4 allows you to disable the movement of the right headlight and the left headlight. The default state is that S1, S2 are off and S3, S4 are on. In this state the factory light retractor relay will work as normal. If you deviate from the default state you can get the following control. S1 is on, headlights go up immediately. S2 is on, headlights go down immediately. S1 and S2 are on, the headlights keep moving forever. S3 off, the right headlight will not move. S4 off, the left headlight will not move. And with that, let me show you how it works in practice. But one more thing about the up and down switches, the S1 and S2. You need to have them activated until the headlights reach the desired position. They can stay active after that. The headlights will not continue moving after they have reached their desired state. However, if you flip the switch off before the desired state is reached, the headlights will likely stop in place, unless the light retractor relay has one of its transistors active. Okay, that's that. I will leave links for the parts used in the description. I will also link the 3D model I made for the blank if for anyone interested. There will be extra variations for this model with text, without text and also fully blank. I'm still working on the automatic controller, which will be plug and play and much easier to use. Here is a short clip of its current state. It's not bad at all, but there is one tiny problem which I really want to solve before I'm happy enough to distribute it. It will be expensive though, so that's why I whipped up this 4-switch manual controller, so that even people with not much money can hopefully have some fun with their headlights. That's all for this video. See you in the next one, which will hopefully be about the finished controller. Hopefully. Bye.